Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I'm very excited about this video. I am participating in the Santa's Favorite Cookie Collaboration 2021 with 6 other YouTubers created by my good friend Dolores over at the Baking Diva. She will be making Italian almond cookies. Katie from Katie Any Beauty, she will be making frosted cashew cookies. Jim from Jim's Kitchen, he'll be making beer cookies. Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen, she will be making almond sprinkle cookies. Andy from Cooking with Andy, he'll be making stuffed cookies. And Deborah, she'll be making gingerbread boy cookies. I can't wait to check out everybody's cookies. I'll post links to all their channels and cookie recipes down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'm going to be making some orange chocolate chip cookies. Orange and chocolate is one of my favorite combinations. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, we'll be using the cake mix. Oh yes. These cookies will be a hit for the holiday season and when Santa Claus comes down the chimney. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my holiday cheese recipes playlist and my previous video, Holiday Cranberry Punch. I'll post link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate chips, your cake mix, and your butter sugar, because we're about to bake some orange chocolate chip cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 stick, which is a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, or you can use cream cheese spread, and they both at room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. We're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, one teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And we're going to continue mixing until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in 1 package of orange cake mix. Going to mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, this is what our batter looks like. Nice and stiff. Now there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. The chocolate chips. We're going to add in 1 1/4 cups. I'm using milk chocolate, or you can use semi-sweet or dark. And fold them in. Smells heavenly. So now we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap, and we're going to place it in the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill for 2 hours, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is nice and firm and chill. See? That looks great. Alright, now we're ready to make our cookies. I have a 13 by 9 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. So we're going to take my ice cream scoop. Going to scoop the dough. Just like that. And then we're going to roll them. Like so. And then we're going to place it onto the cookie sheet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish rolling out the rest of my cookie dough, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. They're going to be a little gooey in the center, so be careful not to overbake them. Alrighty, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. Nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. Alright, so now we're going to let them cool for about 10 minutes. And then I'll put them on my platter, and then we'll give them a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Orange chocolate chip cookies. Don't they look good? And I place them on my Christmas platter. So pretty and festive. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Chewy and tender. Ain't nothing like orange and chocolate. These are fantastic, my friends. If y'all love orange and chocolate, y'all gonna love these cookies. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Nice and gooey. Yum. Oh. Orange chocolate chip cookie-licious. Wow, Dolores, that was a fun collaboration. Thank you again, my friend, for inviting me to join. And again, I'll post a link to everybody's channel and their cookie recipe down below in the description box. And I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture of your dish, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.